What is going on, my friends? I wanted to actually show you guys a pair of our vintage collection seats so you could see the difference. I wish I actually had a pair of our heritage, because a lot of people look at our vintage collection and they go for the tobacco color, and that's what this is here. We also have in our heritage collection a color called tobacco leaf. It's a very nice color, but it's a lighter, it's a heavier distress. It's a little bit browner and lighter tan mixed together, and then it's a totally different material. This stuff here is really nice. It looks and feels like leather, and it has a great look to it. These things fit awesome in like classic and vintage cars, especially like replicas, Cobras, things like that. British and Italian sports cars are great, and obviously hot rods, mini trucks, and all that. What we did on these ones here, because it is tobacco has like a weird thing about it, where if you put like a brown thread on here, like a dark brown, it's going to vanish in the material. Also, if you put like a red on there, it'll bring out more red highlights in this material. We actually went and did a saddle on here. It gives it a little bit, tones it down a little bit, and brings it more in the brown family. But it's weird because the tobacco is a cool color where you could look at it one way and it has a reddish look to it, and you look at it another way and it's just totally brown. It's very cool material, very cool look. Now, if you are interested in these seats and you wanted to purchase them, we'll put a link in the description below, so you could find one of our dealers to purchase them through. And if you have any questions, feel free to just shoot us an email. And please like, share, subscribe, follow, ring the bell, and all that. Thanks.